Are you ready? Let's dive in.
When the restaurant messed up his order, Leo didn't complain, he just let it off his back. Fly. Roll. Bounce. Drip. The correct answer is roll. The idiom "let it roll off your back" means to not let something bother you. Leo didn't waste energy being upset, he just moved on. I was really nervous about meeting her parents, but my sister told me to just keep a head warm, strong, cool, smart. The correct answer is cool. The idiom "keep a cool head" means to stay calm and think clearly, especially in a stressful situation. Great advice when you want to make a good impression. During the crisis, she took and gave clear instructions to everyone. Charge. Over. Place. Notes. The correct answer is charge. The idiom "take charge" means to take control or lead in a situation. She became the leader when things got tough. When we were lost in the forest, Ryan kept his and found a way out. Shoes. Head. Nerves. Voice. The correct answer is head. The idiom "kept his head" means he stayed calm and didn't panic. It helped him think clearly and solve the problem. She knew the job would be tough, but she rolled up her and got to work. Hands. Sleeves. Arms. Ideas. The correct answer is sleeves. The idiom "roll up your sleeves" means to prepare to work hard and face a challenge directly. No complaining, just action. We were falling behind, but Jake really stepped and saved the project. Forward. Aside. Up. Out. The correct answer is up. The idiom "step ups" means to take responsibility or act when needed. Jake showed leadership when it mattered most. After the awkward conversation, Lily just laughed it and changed the subject. Away. Up. Off. Behind. The correct answer is away. The idiom "laugh it away" means to dismiss something embarrassing or stressful with humor. A great way to keep things light. I was totally unprepared, but I decided to take the plunge and into it. Dive. Fall. Jump. Go. The correct answer is dive. The idiom "dive into it" means to begin doing something with energy and enthusiasm, even if you're unsure. A brave move. Everyone else was panicking, but she kept things on an even level. Tone. Track. Keel. The correct answer is keel. The idiom "even keel" means steady, calm, and balanced, especially during a storm, literally or figuratively. She kept everything under control. The teacher caught him cheating, but instead of denying it, he faced the and accepted the consequences. Results. Score. Truth. Music. The correct answer is music. The idiom "face the music" means to accept responsibility or punishment for something you did. It's about owning up, even when it's uncomfortable.
How did you do? Drop your score in the comments and let's see who's the ultimate quiz master. Want more fun quizzes? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a challenge. New quizzes are coming soon, so stay sharp and keep learning. Until next time, stay curious and keep quizzing.